Yeah, we got a Chevy Z71 truck 2019. It's a beauty. We went ahead and added the shock sensor kit to the factory alarm system. He's got the built-in remote start. Everything works beautiful. So he wanted to get more protection without having to carry an extra remote control and add a full-blown alarm system to it, which the end results are pretty much the same when you add the shock sensor kit to it. We gave him like the high frequency glass shatter sound too, so if somebody tries to break the window with a center hole puncher, it will fire off the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. Shut off the alarm, you hit unlock on the remote control, or you can let it fire off. It will ring for 3.5 minutes. Then we went ahead and protected the back here in case somebody tries to get cute back here and bust out the keyhole and potentially steal the tailgate lid or take whatever tools he has inside here. So that was another add-on you can do. You can protect your tailgate. Say for some customers that don't want the glass sensors and they're just interested in just protecting the tailgate, we can do that too. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to get everything installed. You can either get the tailgate protected only, or you can just do the glass only, or you can do both. And what he did, he chose to do both. I'm gonna go ahead and open this tailgate with the key, because I don't want to sit here and bust out his keyhole. The alarm is gonna fire off. Okay. And that shuts off the alarm system. The remote start, I think you gotta hit lock and then you hold this down for 3 seconds. That starts off the truck. Pretty nice. Then to turn it off, I believe you just hold this down. Shuts off the truck. So this is a nice upgrade on this Chevy pickup truck 2019. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're based on Miami. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. And one more thing, all these cars from Chevy, they do have factory alarm systems. You can test them out by lowering down the driver's window, lock the door with the fob, reach in and open the door from the inside, see if the horn starts honking. That way you know that you are a candidate for an upgrade, that you do have a factory alarm system. But in any event that you open the door after waiting about 30 seconds and the factory alarm doesn't fire off, then in that case we'll have to install an aftermarket alarm. We have no choice because you don't have any type of security from factory. So those are little tips I can give you guys. Thank you for watching this video.